Hi, this is Russ Turdberger. A while back, I made a video about removing unwanted noise from your video using Sony Movie Studio or Sony Vegas Pro. What I showed you was how to remove the unwanted noise using the plugins found in the software. It worked well, but it takes a lot of work to tweak it out and get rid of the noise that you want to get rid of. There is a better way. This way is by using a piece of software called Audacity. And Audacity is free. You can find this at www.audacity.sourceforge.net. And this is really great software. And it's free. So let's get started, okay? I recorded this video a while back. And well, there was a piece of hum on it that I want to get rid of, so let me play that for you. Let me play that for you again. If you look up here on the output meter, you can actually see the hum if you can't hear it very well since this is on YouTube. See that? Play it again. Pretty annoying. Not very happy with that. So what I'm going to do is I'm first going to click on the audio track here, and I'm going to go up to Project, and I'm going to go to Render As, and I want to render it as an audio interchange file, an AIF file, and here on Sony Movie Studio 12, I just want to click on Default Template, but I want to make sure that it's an AIF file. I'm going to save this, give it a name that I can remember. Alright, I'm going to render that. Alright, now it's rendered. After you download Audacity, once again, free and phenomenal audio program, I'm going to open that up, and this is what Audacity looks like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to File, Open, and I'm going to open the file that I just saved, the AIF file. Okay, now, if you notice in the waveform here, you can see that there is definitely some noise in there, some hum. And that's the hum I want to get rid of, which is throughout this entire piece of audio. So what I'm going to do is highlight an area that has the hum in it. And just like I did, highlight that area. And then I'm going to go to Effect. I'm going to go to Noise Removal. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Get Noise Profile. And what that's going to do is that is going to let Audacity get an idea of the noise that I want to get rid of. So I click Get Noise Profile. That's all it takes. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to Edit, Select All. Then I'm going to go back to Effect, and I'm going to click on Noise Removal again. Now, there's two steps in here. As we can see, the step one is to get the noise profile. We already did that. Step two is basically to remove the noise. Now, you can play around with your noise reduction, your sensitivity, your frequency smoothing, and your attack delay time. You can tweak it however you want, but I'll be honest with you, the default settings that they have are pretty darn good, so I'm just going to stick with that. You want to make sure that you're on Remove Noise, not Isolate, but to remove noise. And then I'm just going to click OK. Now, after I click OK, you're going to see the waveform here, which has a little bit of, it's got some waveforms going on in there, is actually going to be a flat line. So I'm going to click OK, and just pay attention to this, and you'll see. Look at that, clean as a whistle. Now I'm going to play that back for you. No hum. No hum whatsoever. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to export this. I'm going to go to Export Audio. I'm going to export it back, saving it as a WAV file. So now I'm going to go back to Movie Studio, And what I'm going to do is I'm going to import the media that I just saved, the WAV file. I'm going to import that. And then I'm going to take that and I'm going to drag it down and drop it parallel to my other file. Now, what's interesting too is I have just taken a mono track, basically, and it's converted it into a stereo track, which is wonderful. So that's another thing that Audacity has done for me, which makes it a wonderful program. So now, what you can do is you can just mute this track, or with Sony Movie Studio or Sony Pro, what I can do is I can remove this audio track by right-clicking on the audio track, going to Group, Remove From, now right-clicking on here again on the audio track, and clicking on Cut, and then I'm going to drag this up here, and now we have one audio file, and it's all set. I'll play it back for you.
Hi, I'm Stacy.
And there you have it. So once again, that's removing unwanted noise using Audacity, which is a free program. I highly recommend it. You can find it, once again, at www.audacity.sourceforge.net. I'm Russ Turdberger. Thanks for watching.